What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this episode of Custom with Vic. Today we got some goldenrod dunk lows and some varsity maze dunk highs. We're going to be converting both of them to some Wu-Tang customs. The original Wu-Tangs came out back in 1999 and they only released 36 pairs to the original members. If you can find a pair, they go for over $15,000. They never made a pair of low tops, but recently Foxtrot Uniform created a pair and I thought they were super sick. So these are going to be for me and these are going to be for J Collector. So without further ado, let's get it started. The first thing we're gonna do, using our Cricut, we're gonna create a stencil for it so we can know exactly the size of it that we want it and the placement. We don't wanna go to the laser machine not knowing exactly those details because we only got one shot of it and we don't wanna ruin these shoes. Our graphic designer, Julian, sent over the WuTang logo for me to print. What I'm trying to do is use Google to help me reference the size and placement of the original 99 dunks. The low tops are gonna require a smaller WuTang logo for it to fit perfectly inside the panel under the swoosh. Measurements look good, we got the logo in place. Now let's head over to the laser engraving machine to meet up Julian so we can laser engrave these logos. Again, going back to what I said, the original pair had the logo embroidered. Since we couldn't do that, I figured laser engraving is the next best thing I could do. If you guys want to do this at home, a simple stencil and some paint will do the trick. Sick. This guy's pretty good.
I got the job.
I got the job. Laser engraving is complete. Big shout out to Julian for always coming through with that. Before we laser engrave the WuTang logos, I placed a piece of vinyl right over that area. So now all we gotta do is tape around it so we can lay down our black paint. This looks crispy. The freshly engraved WuTang logos with some black paint looks so good. Now, in the original WuTang dunk highs, not only does it have a logo on the side, but it also has a logo on the tongue tag. Right now what we're gonna do is remove the Nike tongue tag and replace it with some custom WuTang tongue tags that Foxtrot Uniform sent over. Big shout out to you, Fox. We're gonna go in, remove the laces, and using a seam ripper, remove the Nike tongue tag. Right now we're just gonna focus on the dunk highs. High top dunks are basically done. All we gotta do for these is just lace them up. Now let's focus on the goldenrod dunk lows. One clear difference between both of them is the yellows. On the varsity maze, the yellow on these are closer to the original 99 WuTang dunks. The goldenrods are pretty off, but the yellow on these are still pretty sick. However, the yellow on the tags does not match the yellow on these dunk lows. So for this, we mixed up some goldenrod yellow paint. We're gonna touch it up with a tiny detail brush on the WuTang logo, and then we'll sew it onto the shoes. Both tags have been touched up with the yellow paint. It looks a lot better. It actually matches the leather now. Now, same exact thing. We're gonna take out our laces and remove the old Nike tags with a seam ripper. Tags are fully swapped, they look factory. This step is one of my favorite things to do because it's so easy. Now the last step we gotta do is lace both of these shoes up using some Foxtrot Uniform Bumblebee laces. These are Union style, they're yellow and black, and they're gonna go perfectly with both of these shoes. This is for the high top pair, but once again, the yellow is more meant for the varsity maze. So for the golden rods, we're gonna use the same dye we used for the tags and simply just dye the laces. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on these custom high top and low top Wu-Tang dunks. Both of these came out super sick. The high tops almost look identical to the 1999 pair, and the low tops, real dope. I love the yellow on them. I know Nike never released a low top pair, but honestly, they should. The laser engraving on both of these shoes came out real crispy. The Foxtrot uniform, Wu-Tang tags, and laces really set this custom off. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you guys like more, the high tops or the low tops. Me personally, I like the low tops. Also, if you guys want this custom done on your pair, hit me up on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vic Almighty. I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys.